Good morning, or whenever you're watching this, it might not be morning. I'm getting a pumpkin cream cold brew, surprise, surprise. You have to get them before pumpkin spice season is over because I don't know what I'm gonna do when this drink is gone. I am a little bit obsessed. This is like my favorite Starbucks drink ever. So I'm getting my drink. Crew is not too happy back here. I had to wake him up to take the boys to school, so he is not exactly happy, but I'm gonna head home and then I gotta head off to my 6-week doctor's appointment checkup. Fun stuff. All right, buddy, we're off. You're all right. Okay, are you getting that? Because is there another one?
There's two, and that's but they don't have the price. I don't know.
Okay, yeah, grab those.
This will probably be around 10.
Okay, done. Are you getting one of these wreaths, or you have some? I need some Christmas
I think
wreaths.
I have some wreaths. I bought at Kirkland's last year.
Okay. So I'm in Dirt Cheap right now. This place is insane, you guys. Have you ever been to a Dirt Cheap before? My mom introduced me to this. She's actually never been to this one either, and I'm freaking out. I'm gonna have to leave here soon to go get Cooper from school, but you guys, I'm gonna have the hugest haul to show you guys because this stuff is so freaking cheap. There's a whole bunch of Target stuff that's like Hearth in Hand, and it is crazy inexpensive. I'm shook. Totally shook right now. Cat scratcher. Okay. You didn't find a basket?
No, but look.
What is this?
It's a deer, but it lights up, and it's that boxwood. I know, that's gonna be like $3.
Oh my goodness. We need a basket.
No, I'm gonna get one.
Okay,
We might have to
here.
go wait around. Push that button.
What button? Ah.
It's a real bow.
I definitely want one of those
Me
trees.
too. I got a huge one.
Okay. So right now the boys and I are hanging out at the park. My mom and I were at Dirt Cheap. You guys can probably see the excitement on my face and in my voice in that last clip because it was like truly so overwhelming. It's like Target clearance in an entire store. It's crazy. So we're at the park right now. I just have Cooper and Cash with me. Carter is going with his dad tonight, or is with his dad tonight. And of course I have Crew. He's not happy with me because I'm not holding him up on my shoulder. But anyways, the cleaning lady is at, ooh, you all right? Yeah, you're tough. Our cleaning lady is at our house right now, so I was just trying to get out of the house and, hold on. Okay, so anyways, and I'm sorry I'm squinting so bad. I left my sunglasses in the car and it's so bright out here. I think we're about to get some pretty bad storms. We're supposed to get like some rain and hail or something this evening, but it is so hot out here. Goodness gracious, we won't be able to be out here for long because of Crew. I just don't want him to get too hot, but we don't have to get out of the house when the cleaning lady comes, but I just wanted to make sure that like she could get her stuff done without being bothered by the kids running through and stuff. And I think she still had to clean the floors, so I didn't want to bother her. Yes, baby? You need help? This below for you guys if I remember. Cooper, because this is a really good Christmas toy. I got it off of Amazon. Bubba, you can't go off the side there. Actually, well, my grandma did, got it for them for Christmas. We have 2 of them, but my kids love them. Oh. It's starting to rain. Hey, guys, go to the car. Yeah, y'all listen so well. Okay, so you see all this fall stuff behind me? It's about to go. And I don't care if you guys are the type that doesn't decorate before Thanksgiving or whatever for Christmas. I like to decorate for Christmas as early in advance as possible so that I can celebrate it longer, because I will take my Christmas stuff down like the day after Christmas. No joke. Or usually I'm shopping that day, so like the next day I'll take it all down. But the real reason why I have to do it is because I'm working with King of Christmas this year, and I'm so excited to get my Christmas tree up. But I have to have posts up very early in the season because that's just part of my job, and I'm super thankful that that is part of my job. But just in case you guys are like, oh my god, she's decorating for Christmas already, you know, it's part of my job, so let's just leave it at that. Plus I love Christmas. I'm sorry if you guys can hear Paw Patrol in the background. I need to turn that down. I'm tired of listening about Mayor Humdinger. What? You want a muffin? Okay, well, I gotta see if I have any muffins. Okay, give me just 1 minute, all right? Okay, so what I wanted to talk about is dirt cheap. So I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm gonna show you a haul of everything that I got. Most of it that I got was for Christmas, and that is because I'm about to start decorating for Christmas. But just about everything is originally from Target. It's like the Hearth in Hand with Magnolia collection. Some of it's like Threshold brand or whatever, but the prices are crazy. So if I don't talk about the price, what I'm gonna do is like list it at the bottom, just so you guys can see how cheap this stuff is. I could make an entire thrifting video because it's one of my hobbies. I love to do it, and my mom does too, so it was so much fun. But let me show you guys what I got. First of all, we got a bunch of these Santa mugs. These are pretty popular, and they have a bunch of them, but they are, well, originally, how much are they? You can see this. Okay, so $3 originally. I think my mom and I got them for like 90 cents. These are the smaller ones. I grabbed some bigger ones. My mom got these for me at the Dirt Cheap near her yesterday and brought them to me, and then I found some more today. I got this, I always want to say kolache. It's a cloche, I think, or cloche, and it was not $14.99. It was like 70% off of this, so whatever that is, but how pretty is that? And then I got this tree right here. My mom and I spotted these as soon as we walked in and like freaked out. They are originally, so they were originally $40, and then I think this one ended up being, I think this tree ended up being $12. I got like all of the sizes, and it comes in this pretty little basket. And then I got this little size. Oh, and then I got these ornaments. So these ended up being $5.40. I don't know why I remember that so well, but I remember those ringing up as $5.40. And then I got this tree. I thought it was so pretty. I really like, what is this called? My mind just went blank, but it actually lights up. I don't really know. Yeah, so this will go up underneath there, but, and then I got these for the boys for their Christmas tree because my boys love Mario. And then Cooper looked up when I said Mario. What, baby? I grabbed these two for the elf this year. We have a girl elf because we have enough boys in our house. What is it?
It's a Mario ball.
It's a Mario ball.
I like it.
You like them?
Yeah.
What do you say?
He said, thank you.
You're welcome. If I take those out, you're probably gonna break them before Christmas. I think they're glass. Here's the medium-sized tree. I wanna say this one was probably $20 and then 70% off that. So, you know, super cheap. And then I got this wreath. This is actually the first thing that I saw when I got in there and freaked out because I was like, oh my gosh, it's Hearth and Hand. And then they had all of this stuff and I like lost my mind. So this wreath was, I don't know, probably like $5. And then here, do you guys remember this from last year? This is the mailbox by Hearth and Hand, and it was in the Christmas stuff last year, and it was originally $40, and I got it for, I don't know, whatever 70% off $40 is. And then here's the big, so these are what the bigger Santa mugs look like. Okay, let me open it for you. You have to be very careful with them. Okay, I'm not sure if they're like, if they're glass or what. They don't feel, I think, oh, they're not. Yes, Jesus, somebody was smart. Okay, good. All yours, baby. Just try not to lose them so you can put them on your Christmas tree, okay? Yep, here you go. Thanks. You're welcome. Last but not least, what do I have in here? What, baby? So I got this tree skirt. It says $40 and was 70% off, so, you know, you guys can do the math. I can do math, but I don't feel like doing it right now. But look how cute these little fuzzy balls here on the end are. My mom and I each got one of these. And then, so random, but I got this Brita filter because I use the water drop filter and we have loved it, but it's the older version and they don't make the filters anymore. So I was wanting to get a new pitcher and I took this up to the front and I asked the guy how much it was and he said $1. Y'all, what? I got a Brita pitcher for $1. If you guys have a dirt cheap, I mean, my mind is still blown that I got all of this for less than $100. I think my total was $93. So right now we have no milk. I'm walking around with Crew in here. He's out. What, baby? What, babe? I have a headache too. Don't crunch chips on the ground, honey. But we don't have any milk and we have to have milk in our house. Everybody drinks milk. It is a must, and it's almost 5 o'clock and I don't feel like getting back out with the kids. I think I might Amazon Prime some milk to our house because if you guys have used the Target to drive up thing, I love it. I have used it countless times, but you can't get cold stuff. You can't get like milk and bread. Bread's not even cold, it's just, I guess, perishable, and you can't order any perishable items through the Target like pickup. All right, so I just ordered some milk and a few other things through the Amazon Prime Now app. I know you guys would probably say to use Instacart, but they don't deliver to my house, but Amazon Prime does. So milk should be here between 6 o'clock and 8 o'clock. So it's 5:30 and I need to make dinner. Honestly, one of my least favorite things to do in the world is getting dinner ready. 2 days ago, my Home Chef order arrived. I planned that because Jeff was gonna be gone. I didn't wanna have to think super hard about dinner. And I got one of the oven ready meals. I'm like looking around wondering what I did with these papers. So I got one of the oven ready meals here. I ordered 2 of them because the Acapulco steak quesadilla sounded heavenly. I think I might make that tomorrow night or the following night when Jeff is home because he's going to love that. So thankfully, Home Chef is coming in clutch and I am making an apple butter pork chop. And then I believe that's asparagus, which I love. Is that asparagus? Oh no, white cheddar green beans. That even sounds even better. It's so easy. You pretty much just pop it into the oven. Like, you empty all the ingredients into the pan and put it in the oven and that's it. So that is perfect for me, especially when Jeff is gone right now. And also with having a new baby in here, you can barely see him. He's right there still asleep. But I mean, guys, if you're a busy mom, you totally understand. I mean, we don't always have time to just come up with these fancy meals. Like, I could never just come up with this on my own. There's no way. We still have not tried anything twice because there's so many options. It changes every single week. So if you guys still haven't tried Home Chef, you probably know I have been doing Home Chef for well over a year now. Yes, honey. Wow. I've been doing Home Chef for well over a year now. We love it. It breaks up the month a little bit, gives us something new to try, and also gives me a little bit of a break. So I get excited when I see it sitting at my front door, and it sits on ice. So actually the other day when mine came, It had been sitting out there all day long because I wasn't home, and it was still cold when I took everything out of the box. If you guys are interested in trying out Home Chef, I have a really good coupon code for you guys. You can actually get $80 off 4 different boxes, so that's $20 off of each box. You can use the code on 4 different boxes, whatever boxes you want. You guys want to eat some apple butter pork chops with green beans?
I will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me a high five. Yeah, for apple butter pork chops. Kashi, can I get a high five? Can I get a high five? We're gonna eat some apple butter pork chops. Yeah. You need to eat some green beans. You need some vegetables in your diet.
Mama,
They're good for you.
Not good for you.
So it comes in this little bag with everything in it. So I've got green beans, cheese, the seasoning, the crispy onions here, and then the apple butter. Okay, that took me all of 2 minutes max. And now I'm just gonna put this in the oven for about 25 minutes. Okay, so I just pulled this out of the oven. It says to garnish the green beans with cheese. That's yum. And then, what else? Put the apple butter on the pork and then the crispy onions on top. So that is super simple. My boys are outside. It just started raining. All right, done. This is it. It smells delicious. I think it's the apple butter that smells so good, but I'm about to dig in. So I'm curled up on the couch. It is 8:30. I can't see my clock very well. I can never see that clock on the, like, over by the TV, and it always kind of trips me out a little bit because I'm thinking, like, I don't wear glasses or contacts at all, but every time I look at that clock and I can't see it, I start freaking out because I'm sure eventually my eyes are gonna go bad. So I'm going to hang out on the couch for a little bit and edit this vlog so you guys can see this one up tomorrow, which will be Friday. I am so ready for Jeff to come home. I cannot wait. He won't be home until like midnight probably. Honestly, I mean, the week has gone by really, really fast. I thought it was gonna go by way slower. I have just been so busy, and honestly it's been a really good week. Like, I'm really proud of myself. I think that from just I mean, I don't know, just being single at one point, being a single mom and raising Carter when he was little and just doing a lot of things by myself. I'm a very independent person anyway, so I'm not like super surprised that it hasn't been that hard, but you know, with a newborn and a bunch of other kids, it is very stressful, and the end of today was pretty tiring, but I'm really proud of myself for just the way that I've handled this week. It is really starting to rain outside. I'm gonna grab a bowl of cereal because that's what I do in the evenings, is eat cereal and edit this vlog. So I'm thinking tomorrow I might go back and do an entire thrift with me video, and I don't know. Let me know if you guys would like to see something like that. And if you have a dirt cheap near you, go check that out because that was crazy fun. Also, don't forget to check out Home Chef. I wonder if you guys can hear that rain against the window right here. That is intense. Anyways, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all in my next vlog. Bye. And I will see you guys all in my next vlog. Why am I so awkward? And I will see you guys all in my next vlog. Bye. Bye.